I was talking to a friend and he said he doesn't like GitHub because he's afraid someone's going to steal his idea. Well, first of all, if someone does steal your idea, it's going to be unnoticed project copying another unnoticed project. Both of the projects combined is like a tiny little ripple in the Pacific Ocean. It's not going to make a difference. And even if somebody does make it, become famous, become successful with your project, especially today when attention means money, you're going to benefit from it. I mean, if someone takes my project, modifies it, and becomes successful with it, I'd be extremely happy. And secondly, it's probably not your idea to begin with. At some point, somewhere, someone's probably tried your idea, or at least something similar. Most games are built on other games that came before it. I mean, if you look at the sheer number of all the game projects out there, 36 million users on GitHub. These are not all gamers, but 100 million repositories on GitHub. More than 300,000 games on the Google Play Store. More than 30,000 on Steam. 100,000 on itch.io. Who knows what the exact number is, but if you consider the fact that most games don't even get noticed, you only hear about the top 1% or the top 0.1%, the total number's got to be in the millions. So you're talking about one project out of a million and another that copied it. It's not really what you should be concerned about. You could be John Carmack or Elon Musk, where you might have something in your head that is going to change the world, but I wouldn't bet on it. For most indie game developers, it's probably better to just share your idea, get feedback, and get new ideas, and could also be part of your marketing. The project that I'm working on right now, it's not finished. It's my first recording on YouTube, and I got 2,000 subscribers from it. It's not a lot, and I would like to have more by the time I finish, but you do have a small portion of people who are already excited when you do finish. If you keep your project offline and publish it at the very end, chances are you're going to go unnoticed, not unless you have a lot of money and have some budget for publishing. But again, you could be the guy who made Angry Birds, but that's one out of a million. You might as well buy a lottery ticket. If you look at all the open source projects, even Bitcoin or things like Godot, Blender, Linux, because anybody can take the code and modify it, it's not stealing, it adds to the value. But if you're looking to sell your idea and make millions of dollars from it, you're in it for the wrong reason. I would always say take small steps, get your work out there, get noticed, provide value to the game dev community, and then see what you can do from there. Once you're at a place where people want to steal your ideas, I'm sure you're going to have many different opportunities. That's all I got to say. I'm going to go work on my game. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.